students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is adjective and passive voice. Voice refers to the form of a verb that shows whether the subject of a sentence performs the action, the active voice, and is affected by it, the passive voice. तो active voice और passive voice क्या होता है? Sentence का वो part जहाँ पे आपका action होता हुआ आपको दिख रहा होता है is the active voice, and जिस चीज़ पे affect पड़ रहा होता है उसका that is the passive voice. Now the active voice shows that the subject of a sentence performs the action, and the passive voice shows that the subject of a sentence is affected by the action. Example: a tiger killed a deer. Active voice. A deer was killed by a tiger. This is a passive voice. तो active voice में आपका action हो रहा होता है और passive voice में दिखता है कि उस action की वजह से sentence पे क्या effect पड़ रहा है. So in the first sentence, the emphasis is on the tiger, while the second one, it is on the deer. So the first sentence is in the active voice and the second one is in the passive voice. When a sentence is in active voice, is changed into passive voice, the main changes are the object is put in the place of the subject and the subject is put in the place of the object. An appropriate form of be is used. In the present tense, the form of be is am, is and are is the simplest past. It is was, were. In the perfect tense, been, and in the continuous tense, it is being. With the modal be is used in its base form, for example, can be, will be, etc. तो object की जगह क्या आ जाता है? In place of the object is put in place of the subject. और basic आपके minor changes होते हैं, जैसे be का जो form होता है present tense में वो am, is और are में convert हो जाता है, simple past में was, were में convert हो जाता है, but जो be की base form रहती है वो आपकी be ही रहती है. For example, अगर can be होगा तो will be हो जाएगा, वो same ही रहता है. So the past participle form of verb is used in all the tenses. The preposition by is used before the passive object. The pronouns changed in the following way. So the subject in the active voice, it gets replaced by the object in the passive voice. So I becomes me, we becomes us, you remains you only, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it remains the same, and they becomes them. For example, I informed him, he was informed by me. So I got converted into me. We met you, you were met by us. She saw it, it was seen by her. It ही रहता है, you भी you ही रहता है. Now they did it, it was done by them. Now assessment zone, read the following sentences and write A for active voice or P for passive voice in the space provided against each sentence. They read the Ramayana is read by them. So but they read the Ramayana, this is the active voice. Change the following sentences into passive voice. My mother and father love me. I am loved by my mother and father. Now passive are verbs with two subjects. If a verb has two objects, either of the objects can become the subject in the passive voice. For example, Mr. Ravi gave me a chocolate. I was given a chocolate by Mr. Ravi, or a chocolate was given to me by Mr. Ravi. Now passive of verb plus preposition or adverb combination. The preposition or adverb must remain immediately after the verb. For example, in active voice, if it is he spoke to me, passive voice I was spoken to by him. The preposition और adverb जो होते हैं वो हमेशा verb के तुरंत बाद ही रहते हैं दोनों ही cases में. Now passive of imperative sentences, form let plus subject plus be, not plus past participle, or you are ordered or requested, advised, forbidden plus not to and plus verb की पहली फॉर्म आपकी रहती है when the passive of imperative sentences you are writing. दोनों में से कोई भी cases आप लगा सकते हैं. For example, shut the door, let the door be shut. Let him do it, let it be done by him. Do not pluck flowers, you are forbidden to pluck flowers. Work hard, you are advised to work hard. Please wait for me, you are requested to wait for me. Kindly help me, you are requested to help me. Now remember, forbid means to order somebody not to do something, so do not use not with forbid. अब forbid already एक negative word ही होता है जब आपको किसी को कुछ करने से रोकना होता है. You want somebody not to do something. तो forbid से पहले आप not नहीं लगाएंगे. Now assessment zone, change the following sentences into passive voice. Do it at once. You are ordered to do it at once. Now, passive of verbs with modals. Sometimes verbs are preceded by modals. In such cases, in the passive voice, be is placed after the modal. तो modal verbs भी की placement कैसे होती है? जो be होता है, वो ठीक आपका modal verb के बाद आ जाता है. ऐसे will be, must be, ऐसे. Now, examples I can help you. You can be helped by me. Tom will call them. They will be called by Tom. Now assessment zone, convert the following sentences into passive voice. He can win the race. So इसको आप passive voice में कैसे convert करोगे? The race could be or can be won by him. Now passive of present and past continuous. The passive voice of present and past continuous tenses has the following structure. Form: subject plus is am are or was were plus being plus past participle form of verb plus by plus object. तो आपको अगर present या past continuous tense में passive को convert करना है तो आपका rule क्या रहेगा? Subject पहली position पे आएगा, then is am are आएगा या फिर was were आएगा depending upon the past or the present. Being plus past participle form of that particular verb. उसके बाद तुरंत बाद by आएगा and then at last the object will come. Examples: I'm eating a mango is being eaten by me. He was cooking food was being cooked by him. Now assessment zone, change these sentences into passive voices. I'm helping the poor are helped by me. Am present है तो यहाँ पे आपका am are में convert हो जाएगा. Present ही रहेगा. Now passive present, past and future perfect tenses. While changing present, past and future perfect tenses into passive voice, we use been after has, have, had. तो आप जैसे ही present, past को future perfect या perfect tenses में जब convert करते हो तो आपका हमेशा has, have के बाद been आ जाता है. Now has, have is equals to has been or have been, and had is equals to had been. Will have, will have been, shall have been. For examples, the king has selected the minister has been selected by the king. He had bought a mobile had been bought by him. तो convert जब आप has have को करोगे past passive voice में तो हमेशा इस has have had के बाद been आपका आ जाएगा. Remember, present, past and future continuous tenses cannot be changed into passive voice. ये तीन tenses जो आपको दिख रहे हैं, present, past, future, perfect continuous tense, इनके passive में कोई changes आपको देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे. Assessment zone, fill in the missing verbs in the following passive voice sentences. Chetan has bought a flat has been bought by Chetan, और had, क्योंकि यहाँ पे has है तो has आपका had ही रहेगा, has ही रहेगा. So students, with this we're done with this chapter. Please go through the entire chapter properly, revise the active and passive voices along with the definitions and rest of the exercise questions. Please do it yourselves.